Welcome to another UniPhi training video. This video will cover adding a site to an organization. UniPhi has three types of entities that can relate to each other: an organization, a site and a person. In this video, a new site or location for an organization will be created. We're in the summary module. We need to go to the resources module to add a site. Click on resources. Change the view from contact to organization. Click on the organization that you wish to add the site to. Click on the Add button to add the site details. Enter in all the relevant fields for this site. Custom fields can be added to sites and are found by scrolling down the screen. Once you have updated the details, click on the Save button to add the site to the organization. You have now successfully added a site. For more help, visit any of these support websites or call us for more info. Goodbye.